Finding the right tire patch kit can be a game changer for cyclists, helping you stay prepared on the road, no matter where your adventure leads. Today, we're looking at the top 7 bicycle tire patch kits for 2024. Each kit brings its own unique features from ease of use to durability, making it a reliable companion for any cyclist. Let's dive right in and see what each one has to offer, so you can decide which kit best suits your riding needs. The number 1. Repair Bag Kit with Pump. The Repair Bag Kit with Pump combines versatility and reliability, making it an ideal choice for cyclists who want a complete solution in one compact package. This kit not only includes patches for emergency repairs, but also a sturdy mini pump, ensuring you're covered for both patching and inflation needs. Crafted with high-quality materials, the patches are designed to adhere strongly to damaged areas, offering long-lasting fixes. The mini pump is lightweight yet powerful, providing consistent air pressure suitable for both road and mountain bike tires. The kit's compact size allows it to fit easily under your saddle or in a backpack, making it a convenient companion on any ride. With usability at its core, the Repair Bag Kit is straightforward to use, even for beginners. The pump's ergonomic design ensures ease of handling, and the patches require minimal preparation before application, making the process quick and efficient. For those who want a single solution to multiple issues, this kit offers durability and functionality in one compact, portable setup.
Still wasting money on ads that get ignored? Let influencers tell your story. Promotional Pack connects your e-com brand to the right niche influencer to reach your target audience. Get more sales with less spent. Link in description.
At number 2, Mobilock Tire Patch Kit 24-pack. The Mobilock Tire Patch Kit is a 24-piece set that's a must-have for cyclists who frequently find themselves dealing with punctures. Each of the 24 patches is crafted from a high-quality rubber compound that provides excellent adhesion and flexibility, ensuring a strong bond with your tire's surface. One of the standout features of this kit is its compact design, allowing you to carry it easily without adding bulk to your gear. Each patch is pre-cut and ready to use, saving time and making on-the-go repairs simple and stress-free. The patches are highly effective on various tire types, offering flexibility whether you're using them on road or mountain bike tires. Durability is a strong suit here, as these patches are built to withstand tough conditions, including rough terrain and high speeds. For anyone who prefers having a solid stock of patches on hand, the Mobilock kit offers excellent value, with enough patches to last through multiple repairs. It's an ideal choice for both casual and serious cyclists looking for reliable, easy-to-use patches. Number 3. Lumintrail Glueless Tire Repair Kit. The Lumintrail Glueless Tire Repair Kit is an efficient choice for cyclists looking to minimize repair time. Featuring self-adhesive patches, this kit eliminates the need for additional glue, streamlining the repair process and making it quick and convenient. Each patch in the Lumintrail kit is made from a durable, flexible material that ensures a strong hold on various tire surfaces. Designed to adhere instantly, these patches provide a solid fix within seconds, making them perfect for those unexpected moments on the road. The compact case keeps everything neatly organized, making it easy to find exactly what you need when a flat strikes. This kit is known for its exceptional durability. The adhesive holds up well under pressure, allowing the patch to stay in place even over long rides. The Lumintrail kit is an ideal choice for riders who value efficiency and ease of use, providing a reliable solution that doesn't compromise on quality. Whether you're a weekend rider or a daily commuter, this kit has you covered with its convenient, no-glue approach. Number 4. Glueless Patch Kit 24 pairs with Scuffers. The Glueless Patch Kit with Scuffers offers 24 patches and multiple scuffers, designed for riders who value both quantity and quality in their repair kits. The patches are pre-glued, allowing you to make quick repairs without the need for additional adhesive, while the scuffers ensure the tire surface is prepped for an optimal bond. Each patch is constructed from a highly flexible material that adapts to the contours of your tire, delivering a reliable fix that won't peel or lift over time. The scuffers included in this kit are easy to use, roughening up the tire surface to enhance the adhesion process. This ensures the patches stay securely in place, even during longer rides or rough terrain. With its strong adhesion and effective scuffers, this kit provides durability that's well suited to both road and mountain biking. The patches are lightweight and compact, making it easy to carry them without any inconvenience. For those who appreciate a reliable repair solution, the Glueless Patch Kit with Scuffers offers a balance of functionality, durability, and convenience in one compact package. Number 5. Inner Tube Patch Kit with Storage Box. The Inner Tube Patch Kit with Storage Box is a comprehensive kit ideal for cyclists who prefer to have their repair tools neatly organized. This kit includes a set of robust patches along with a durable storage box that keeps everything in place, reducing the chance of losing any pieces on the go. Each patch is crafted to be long-lasting and highly flexible, allowing it to adapt to the tire's shape and ensuring a firm seal. The storage box is a practical addition, protecting the patches from dirt and debris, which helps maintain their adhesive quality for extended use. The compact size of the box also makes it easy to slip into a saddlebag or backpack without taking up much space. Usability is another key feature, as the kit is straightforward to use and includes everything you need for a quick repair. Its durable construction and organized design make it ideal for both beginners and seasoned cyclists. The Inner Tube Patch Kit with Storage Box offers a dependable repair solution with the added benefit of an easy-to-carry, organized setup. Number 6. Quick Fix Tire Repair Kit for Tues. The Quick Fix Tire Repair Kit for Tues lives up to its name by offering an efficient solution for repairing inner tube punctures. The patches are specifically designed to bond seamlessly with inner tubes, providing a dependable fix for small punctures that won't come loose, even on rough terrain. Each patch in the Quick Fix kit is made from durable material with strong adhesion, ensuring it remains securely in place for the long haul. Its simple application process makes it ideal for on-the-go repairs, with each patch requiring minimal prep work to be effective. The kit is compact, making it easy to stash in your saddlebag or pocket. This kit's strength lies in its reliability. It's crafted to hold up under pressure, delivering peace of mind for cyclists who frequently find themselves riding in rugged conditions. The Quick Fix Tire Repair Kit for Tues is an excellent choice for riders who want a simple yet effective repair option that won't let them down on challenging rides. And number 7. Oumers 26-Piece Tire Repair Kit. The Oumers 26-Piece Tire Repair Kit is an all-in-one solution packed with everything a cyclist could need for a quick repair on the road. This kit includes 26 pieces, covering a range of patches, scuffers, and even tie levers, making it ideal for both beginners and experienced riders. Each component in the Oumers kit is crafted with durability in mind. The patches are made from a flexible, high-strength material that adheres securely to tire surfaces, while the scuffers and levers are designed to withstand repeated use. This kit's variety of tools makes it versatile enough to handle different types of repairs, whether it's a minor puncture or a more complex fix. The Oumers kit is compact and comes in a portable case, keeping everything organized and accessible. For riders who want a complete, reliable repair kit, this option covers all bases, making it a valuable addition to any cyclist's gear. The Oumers 26-Piece Tire Repair Kit is truly a comprehensive solution for any unexpected tire issues on the road. Each of these tire patch kits offers unique features tailored to different biking needs, from compact designs to fully stocked repair kits. With these top picks for 2024, you'll be ready for anything the road throws at you. Whether you prefer a quick fix or a more comprehensive solution, there's a kit here for every cyclist. Thanks for watching, and remember to hit subscribe for more top cycling gear reviews. Keep your rides smooth and your tires patched. Happy cycling!